Today I'm going to show you another low-cost, high-profit build anyone can make and sell, and you don't need any expensive tools or equipment to make it. It's really easy to make and it's beginner friendly, so let's get started. The first thing you're going to need is a piece of wood. You can get this from Home Depot or Lowe's for a couple dollars. And then take your tape measure, measure 18 inches, and then mark it with a pencil or marker. And then just draw a line. And now I'm just going to trace out a handle. And then I'll use a wood glue bottle to trace out some rounded parts on the end. And now I'll just use my jigsaw and cut out the piece. Once you're done with that, grab some sandpaper and just sand it down. It's looking pretty good so far. Now just go ahead and drill a hole in the handle part, and this can be used so people can hang it on hangers in their kitchen and stuff. And now I'll go ahead and stain it. Now all you have to do is just let it dry for a couple hours. And if you're liking this video so far, make sure to like and subscribe, and go check out some of my other videos too. So that's it for this video. I'll be listing this product for around $120, but you can list it for however much you want. And if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more, and go check out some of my other videos.